Huron Fire. Wingham, please respond at 40621 Amberley Road at the request of branch security. That'll be at Wescast, Casting, North Huron for a general fire alarm. Once again, 40621 Amberley Road at Wescast, Casting, North Huron for a general fire alarm. Time of first page is 8:02. North Huron Fire. Wingham, please respond at 40621 Amberley Road. That's between Pioneer Drive and McLean Line. That will be at Wescast, Casting, North Huron for a general fire alarm. Key holders are pending. Once again, 40621 Amberley Road at Wescast, Casting. It is December 21st at 8:03. Please respond.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Car 3, go ahead.
Dispatch, car 3 acknowledges the page out for Wingham Station. Wingham Station will be responding shortly.
That's Roger, car 3, they're acknowledging page and responding shortly at 8:04:05.
Fire dispatch, you can show car 2 responding.
That's Roger, car 2, you're responding at 8:04:32, and just be advised for an update, looks like the alarm company was unable to reach the key holder.
Yeah, roger that. I feel that's going to be a problem anyway. We'll see what we can do on our end as well. Car 3, car 2.
Go ahead, car 2, car 3.
Are you going to roll exit 6 as well?
My note. I just did it. So I'm not by anymore. Fire dispatch, call North Huron ladder 2.
Ladder 2, go ahead.
You can show ladder 2 responding, Alpha Bravo plus 3 belted.
Roger that, ladder 2 responding, Alpha Bravo plus 3 belted, 80838.
Fire dispatch, tank 4.
Tank 4, go ahead.
You can show tank 4 responding, Amberley Road, Wescast building for general fire alarm, 2 belted.
That's Roger, tank 4, you are responding with 2 belted at 8:09:48.
Fire dispatch, call North Huron ladder 2.
Ladder 2, go ahead.
You can show ladder 2 arriving on scene at 40621 Amberley Road. Nothing showing. Alpha will be command and command will be mobile.
That's Roger, ladder 2, you're on scene, nothing showing. Alpha is in command, command is mobile, 8:11:50.
Fire dispatch, North Huron ladder 2.
Ladder 2, go ahead.
You can show tank 4 on scene.
That's Roger, tank 4, you are on scene, 8:12:27.
Dispatch car 2 on scene as well.
That's Roger, car 2 is on scene at 8:12:41.
Tank 4, you want to send your passenger up to ladder 2 as an operator?
Copy that. Send him up as an operator. Fire dispatch. North Huron, squad 4. Squad 5.
Squad 5, go ahead.
show squad 5 responding, car 4 plus 1.
That's Roger, squad 5, you're responding Golf 4 plus 1 at 8:13:51.
Fire dispatch, you can show engine 6 responding, Gulf plus hotel, belted.
That's Roger, engine 6 responding Golf plus hotel belted, 8:14:54.
Command, car 2.
Go ahead, car 2, command.
Looks like we may have a key holder here on site. I'll talk to him.
Roger that, thank you. Fire dispatch, call North Huron command.
Command, go ahead.
You can show we've had 2 crews do 360 of the building. Nothing showing, we're just waiting arrival of the keys, and we'll send a crew in with a thermal imaging camera and the gas meter.
That's Roger, command, 2 crews completing a 360, nothing showing, you're awaiting the arrival of keys, and you will be sending a crew in with a thermal imaging camera and a gas meter at 8:20:06.
Command, you can show keys on site. We'll be entering the building par 3, Bravo 5.
That's Roger. Dispatch copies. Keys are on site, and you'll be entering Bravo side par 3 at 8:21:42.
Command, entry 1.
Go ahead, entry 1, command.
We have entered the building. We're just trying to see.
Can you repeat that, entry 1? You were strength 1.
We have to the alarm.
Entry 1, you're still strength 1. I believe I copied that you're trying to locate the alarm panel. Roger that, thank you. Go ahead, entry 1, command. Roger that, I'll send in a second crew. Fire dispatch, call North Huron command.
North Huron command, go ahead.
The first entry crew has located the alarm panel. They haven't really found much. We're going to send a second entry crew in and do a full sweep with 2 crews.
That's Roger, command. First entry crew located the alarm panel. You haven't found anything. Second entry crew is entering to do a full sweep at 8:26:07.
Go ahead, entry 1, command. Go ahead, entry 1, command. Strength 5. Roger that, sprinkler system shut off, no water in the system. Fire dispatch. Fire dispatch, North Huron, car 1.
Car 1, go ahead.
You can show car 1 and fire prevention officer will be attending that scene.
That's Roger, car 1. Car 1 and fire prevention officer attending scene at 8:28:50.
Go ahead, entry 1, command. Roger that. Entry 1, if you can meet up with entry 2 at the main doors here. They're going to do a sweep of the actual plant, and we're going to have the key holder turn on the lights.
Fire dispatch, you can show engine 6 arrived on scene.
That's Roger, Engine 6. You are on scene at 8:30:05.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, car 2.
Car 2, go ahead.
You can mark car 2, clear the scene.
That's Roger, car 2. You're clear scene. 8:31:18.
Go ahead, entry 1, command. Roger that, thank you. Roger that, nothing showing. Go ahead, entry 1, command. Roger that, I'll check. Break, fire dispatch, call North Huron command.
North Huron command, go ahead.
I'm not sure if you copied that last transmission, but is there a possibility you could reach out to the alarm company and see if we can get any more information, possible zone?
That's Roger, I can call them. They just gave it as a general fire alarm.
Roger that, if you could reach out, that'd be great, thanks.
Fire dispatch, fire command.
Go ahead, dispatch. This is command.
Roger, alarm company advising that it's zone 74, but they're not able to discern what that specifically is. Zone 74.
Roger that, zone 74. Thank you. Entry 1, call command. Did you copy that transmission from dispatch? Zone 74 was what the alarm company had told us. Roger that, thank you. Roger that, entry 1. I have hotel and golf captains entering to try and locate zone 74. Go ahead, entry 1, command. Roger that, if I copy correctly, you have located a panel in alarm. Fire dispatch, car 1.
Car 1, go ahead.
You show car 1 and fire prevention officer on scene.
That's Roger, car 1 and fire prevention officer on scene, 8:40:52.
Command, entry 2. Correction, entry 3. Go ahead, entry 3 is command. We're looking at the panel in the office here. There is no zone 78. Zone 27 appears to be the highest, and there's no lights on for them, but there is a fire pump panel trouble light on. Roger that. Highest zone you have on that panel is zone 28. We have the FEO entering Alpha side. If you could meet him, he'll probably be able to shed a bit more light on it. Roger that. Roger that, entry 1, thank you. Entry 1, call command. What is your approximate location? Roger that. Just be advised, I spoke to the key holder. He thought he knew roughly where you guys were in that electrical room. He said the alarm's been going off for a while. I have him in the Alpha side of the building, the office section, with the hotel captain and golf captain. They're trying to locate zone 74 on the map. Roger that.
Entry 1. Entry 3. Entry 1, hotel.
Go ahead, entry 1, command. Roger that. Hotel call in, or call command. I can reach the Bravo captain if you want me to relay whatever transmission you had. Entry 1, call command. After speaking with the key holder, we're checking an exterior access to a bag house, and we're also wondering about a cooling tower room in the Bravo Charlie corner. I'm just wondering if either you or entry 2 has checked that room. Roger that. Roger that. Entry 2, call command. Roger that, thank you. Go ahead, entry 1 if you're calling command. Yeah, roger that. Just an update. After speaking with the FEO, he believes it is fire alarm ID 74 in Zone 8, which is related to that cooling tower room. Go ahead, entry 1, command. Roger that. Can you locate any of the detectors in there, whether it be smoke, heat, anything, and see if there's a label on any of them? Go ahead, entry 1, command. Roger that. Fire dispatch, call North Huron command.
Go ahead.
You can show both entry crews have done a full sweep of the building, nothing found, and we'll continue to investigate.
That's Roger, command. Both entry crews have completed a full sweep, nothing found, and you are continuing to investigate at 90404.
Go ahead, entry 1, command. Yeah, roger that. He's out in the parking lot. If you guys make your way out here, we're going to have a face-to-face and come up with a second plan. Fire dispatch, call North Huron command.
North Huron command, go ahead.
You can show we've released engine 6 and tank 4 from the scene. Ladder 2 will remain on scene, and we'll be doing a sweep with the FBO and car 1.
That's Roger. Engine 6, tank 4 released from the scene. Ladder 2 remaining. Conducting a sweep with FPO and car 1, 911.
Fire dispatch, tank 4.
Tank 4, go ahead.
You can show tank 4 being released from the scene, returning to Wingham Station.
That's Roger, tank 4 released, returning 91414.
Fire dispatch, tank 4.
Tank 4, go ahead.
You can show tank 4 back at hall, back in service.
Roger that, tank 4, you're back at hall, back in service, 92458.
Fire dispatch, engine 6.
Engine 6, go ahead.
You can show engine 6 is back at Blythe Station.
That's Roger, engine 6 back at Blythe Station, 92525.
Fire dispatch, call North Huron command.
North Huron command, go ahead.
You you can show we've done a final sweep of the building. We have sourced the issue to a faulty alarm system. We will be leaving the property with the key holder, and he will be contacting the alarm company. You can show all units returning and command terminated.
Roger that. Final sweep of building, issue source to a faulty alarm system. The property is being left with the key holder, who will be contacting the alarm company. All units are returning and command is terminated 94720.